Everyone, there you go.
Move on up to the front of the stage, ladies, so everyone can see you.
Move up. Judges, you ready? Jumpers, you ready? Ahí está. Wow, nice job, little ones, nice job.
And the judges are looking at costume, presentation, technique, and execution of all of these dancers here. All right, while the judges are taking a look at the contestants, a quick announcement. We have Tifai out in the lobby area. At 10 o'clock, there's a quilting workshop.